Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Liya from Social Class 2. I'm a student from 12th grade. In grade 12, of course, there are a lot of assignments from teachers, especially writing papers or reports. Not only me, maybe those of you who are watching are college students who must make research papers, essays, and even theses. You must have made a lot of pages, right? But before you give your result to the teacher or lecturer, make sure you have made a table of contents so that your title can be searched easily. But how? It wastes your time. Let me show you how to make a table of contents simply. So first of all, of course, you have to open the document you want. This is an example from my research paper. Second, create a blank page for the table of contents. Third, go to the main title and block. Then select heading 1 from the top bar. Do the same for the other main titles. Don't worry if the font and size change. You can directly adjust it by right-clicking, then selecting Modify Style and set it as you like. If you have subtitles like this, then choosing heading 2, and so on if you have other subtitles. Do the same thing until you are done with your title. Fourth, go to the bar and then click on the one that says Reference and click on the table of content. Choose the design you want. If you make changes to your document that affect the table of contents, update the table of contents by right-clicking the table of contents and choosing Update field. Lastly, change the font and size in the table of contents to what you want. Alright, so now you know how to create a table of contents simply. Thank you for watching. See you next time.